This video is going to kick off our discussion of pressure networks. Just like when we talked about pipe networks and we talked about the part catalog and the parts lists, we have the same thing for pressure networks. So under the Create Design dropdown in the Home tab of the ribbon bar, if you drop it down, you can go to Set Pressure Network Catalog. In the Set Pressure Network Catalog window, you have the location of your catalog folder and then your catalog database file. So the catalog folder is located on your computer or on a server somewhere, and it contains a list of folders that correlates to your catalog database file. So inside of each of these folders, there is a DWG drawing for the part type and an image file of the part type. So you can download additional parts catalogs and have them inserted into this folder, or you can define a new catalog folder inside of your Set Pressure Network catalog. So for this drawing, what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to set our pressure network catalog as steel. So Imperial AWWA steel. If you were in a metric drawing, your metric catalog database files would show up. But we're in an Imperial drawing, so we're going to go ahead and use Imperial steel. And we're going to go ahead and hit OK, and then we'll talk about parts lists.